Celebrities who died tragically young. Marilyn Monroe. The Hollywood star and one of the greatest symbols of the 20th century died in 1962 at 36. The cause of her death is still a mystery, according to People. Tupac. The American rapper was shot to death in 1996 when he was only 25, according to the Sunday. The crime has never been solved. Kurt Cobain. Nirvana's lead singer and one of the biggest names in the grunge movement shot himself in the head when he was only 27 in 1994, according to the Sunday. Jimi Hendrix. Hendrix, one of the biggest names in rock history, was found dead in a hotel room in London when he was only 27 in 1970, according to the Rolling Stones. Bruce Lee. The actor and martial artist died at 32 from an allergic reaction to pain medication he had taken, according to CNN. Paul Walker. The Fast and Furious star died in a car accident. He was 40. James Dean. The 50s icon died in a car accident in 1955. He was 24. Bob Marley. One of the biggest names in reggae music died at age 36 from a cancer that affected his brain, lungs, and stomach in 1981, according to The Guardian. Jim Morrison. The Doors frontman died at 27 in 1971. As no autopsy was performed on his body, the cause of his death continues to spark controversy, according to Rolling Stone. Some say he died from an overdose. Janis Joplin. The singer died at the age of 27 from an overdose of substance combined with alcohol, according to Pop Sugar. Notorious B.I.G. Just 6 months after Tupac's death, another big hip-hop name died at a young age. Notorious B.I.G. died in 1997 in a drive-by shooting in Los Angeles. He was 24. The case has never been solved, according to Rolling Stone. Selena. The Mexican-American singer was shot by the president of her fan club, Yolanda Saldívar, in 1995, according to Pop Sugar. Selena was 24. River Phoenix. The young actor, known for his roles in Stand By Me, 1986, and My Own Private Idaho, 1991, died from cardiac arrest caused by an overdose, according to Vanity Fair. He was 23. Buddy Holly. He is considered one of the pioneers of rock and roll and influenced big names in world music, such as the Beatles, Bob Dylan, Eric Clapton, and the Rolling Stones. Buddy Holly died at 22 in a plane crash in 1959, according to CNN. Heath Ledger. The actor, who portrayed the Joker in The Dark Knight, 2008, died that same year at the age of 29 as a result of intoxication caused by the mixing of prescription medicines, according to the Sunday. Brittany Murphy. Famous for her work on Clueless, Girl, Interrupted, Riding in Cars with Boys, 8 Mile, Just Married, and Sin City, the American actress died at age 32 from complications of anemia and pneumonia, according to People. Anton Yelchin. The actor, famous for his role in Star Trek, was crushed to death by his own car when he was only 27 in 2016, according to E! News. Chester Bennington. The lead singer of the American band Linkin Park died in 2017 at 41. He took his own life by hanging himself, according to The Guardian. Brian Jones. Founder and the original leader of the Rolling Stones drowned in the pool of his house at age 27 in 1969, according to the Daily Mail. Brandon Lee. Like his father, Brandon died too young when he was only 28 years old. He was fatally shot on the set of The Crow in 1993, according to The Telegraph. Lee Thompson Young. Famed for starring in the Disney series The Famous Jet Jackson, The actor was found dead at his home when he was 29 in 2013. The autopsy revealed that he took his own life, according to CNN. Corey Haim. The Canadian actor and 80s teen idol died at age 38 in 2010 as a result of a combination of pneumonia and respiratory problems, according to the Sunday. Dylan Reeder. The skater, who was also a model, died at 28 from leukemia in 2016, according to the Daily Mail. Otis Redding. Considered the king of soul by many, the singer died at 26 in a 1967 in an airplane crash near Lake Monona in Wisconsin. Ayrton Senna. The Formula One driver and triple world champion died at age 34 in an accident at the San Marino Grand Prix in 1994, as the Telegraph retells. Liam Payne. The 31-year-old singer and former member of the popular band One Direction died under unclear circumstances outside a hotel in Buenos Aires after falling from his room's balcony. Quentin Moses. The former NFL player died at the age of 33 in a fire that broke out in the house he was in with two other people who also died, according to The Guardian. Joanshell Alexander. The former child actress Joanshell Alexander was shot and killed in New Orleans on Saturday, 27 November 2021. Alexander was sitting in a car with a man when the suspect appeared on foot wearing a balaclava and opened fire on them. Alexander was killed at the scene, but her friend survived and was taken to hospital. Joanshell, who starred as Joy Strong in the critically acclaimed 2012 film Beasts, was only 22 years old. Amy Winehouse. Amy Winehouse is one of the most famous examples of an exceptionally talented young star who met an untimely end. The soul singer had a voice that was 1 in a billion, but she was also known for her wild lifestyle. Her death was discovered by one of her bodyguards at her home on 23 July 2011. He tried to wake her up and discovered that she wasn't breathing. Her cause of death was later determined to be alcohol poisoning. Annie Wersching. Annie Wersching died at the age of 45 on 29 January 2023 in Los Angeles. Wersching died of cancer, which came as a shock to many of her friends and fellow artists as she'd kept her diagnosis, which she'd received in 2020, private, according to The Hollywood Reporter. Though best known for playing FBI agent Rainey Walker in the series 24 and for voicing Tess in the video game The Last of Us, Wersching appeared on several notable series including Star Trek, Picard, Timeless, Marvel's Runaways, General Hospital, and more. Nikki A. Cox. Nikki A. Cox, best known for her role as Meg Masters on Supernatural, died at the age of 47, according to her sister-in-law, who shared a touching tribute to the former actress on 17 November 2022, reports People. My beautiful, smart, fierce, incredibly talented, and loving sister-in-law, Nikki A. Cox Raab, passed away yesterday with my brother, Matt Raab, by her side, the tribute said. Though no cause of death was shared, A. Cox revealed in an Instagram post in March 2021 that she was diagnosed with leukemia. Naya Rivera. On 8 July 2020, Naya Rivera died in a tragic accident. The Glee actress had taken a boat out onto California's Lake Piru with her young son, Jose. It seems that they experienced difficulties after going for a swim, and although Josie was found alive and well in the boat, she wasn't able to make it back herself. Her body was found after a heart-wrenching 6-day search. This was followed by outpourings of love and sadness from her friends in the entertainment industry. Chelby Dean. Chelby Dean, a young South African actress, had just reached a career high after starring in 2022's Palme d'Or winner, Triangle of Sadness, when she died on 29 August 2022 in New York from an unexpected illness, Variety reports. She was only 32. Jamal Edwards. Jamal Edwards, a music entrepreneur best known for founding the successful media platform SBTV and pioneering UK rap and grime music, died at the age of 31. His mother, TV show host Brenda Edwards, confirmed that her beautiful and inspirational son died on the morning of 21st February 2022 of a sudden illness. Chris Cornell, the singer of Soundgarden, Temple of the Dog, and Audioslave, died at age 53 in 2017. According to the Associated Press, the coroner reported that Cornell hanged himself in the bathroom of the hotel where he was staying. Gaspard Ulliel. Beloved French actor Gaspard Ulliel tragically died at the age of 37. Ulliel, who stars in the Marvel series Moon Knight, was involved in a serious skiing accident in the French Alps on 18 January 2022. On 19 January, it was confirmed that he had succumbed to his injuries. Ulliel had achieved a great deal in his career by a young age. He is best known for starring in the 2007 movie Hannibal Rising and the 2014 biopic Saint Laurent. His entry into the Marvel Universe would have seen him reach new heights had his life not been cut short. He is survived by his long-term partner, Gail Pietri, and their 5-year-old son, Cory Monteith. The Glee actor was found dead in his house in 2013. He was 31. Police reported that the cause of death would have been a combination of substance and alcohol, according to The Sun.